Hi guys, as you know, we face a lot of problem while mounting an action camera onto a full mast helmet. We all try a lot of techniques like using M-seal, using curve mounts or mounts like this to fit the action camera onto a full mast helmet. So what if I tell you that you have got an universal mount that can sit on any full mast helmet, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, there are two wings. The 3M tape goes here and it will sit on any helmet. This is little flexible, so depending on what type of helmet you have got, you can bend it. So let's see how it fits onto my helmet, which is an LS2. As you can see, right now I have mounted the 3M tapes on either side of the mount. So guys, there are two things you have to consider before installing this mount onto any helmet. One is mark your markers well in advance, so that once you put it with the 3M tape, you don't have to remove it back again. As we know, the 3M tape is very strong. And second thing is, this part should not touch the ground every time you keep your helmet on a flat surface. So guys, as you can see, I have mounted this onto my helmet, and see how perfectly it sits just on the chin. And these are the two adhesive tapes that is holding this mount firmly. And see how the action camera is now mounted on your helmet. So this mount has solved the biggest problem that we moto bloggers usually face to mount an action camera onto the chin. So about this product, so this product is not available in the market right now. So this is a prototype that was given to me by one of my friend who is building this product. So you can write me a mail to my mail ID if you want to know about it further. So that is it guys, happy blogging.